What's up, you fucking cunts? It's me,
Tom from the emergency alert system.
I mean, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Wait,
What?
did this fucking bullshit paper just say? I swear to fuck whichever idiot put this on this beautiful sheet of paper will be demolished in the next -4 seconds.
Anyways,
Some stupid boys decided to escape prison, and are now shooting some other boys. So like if you see them, fuck them up or something, lol, I don't care. Now who wants to hear about my life in the form of a 22,000 chapter book? Nobody. Fine. I see how it is, you shitheads.
I'm going to fuck that fuckity fuck that you fucking fuck that fucking fuck fuckity fuck that fucking fuck that fucking fuck. You understand?
I swear to fuck, if you say another fucking thing about me, I will end your